I'm Clay Holiday, and you're watching Team Predator Elite. Strutters. Scent Step Dispenser. Jenkin Scents. Close grip bow handle. Camo FX. Pup Todd's Outdoor Products. RPM Bow Fishing. And Hilltop Sports. Welcome to Team Predator Elite. Today's hunt features FieldStaff Anthony. Shot his first spring turkey ever. It was on May 6, 2017. It was right after he got out of work, just after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was a great hunt. We had a lot of fun. We really hope you all enjoy this footage.
That's how you do it, son. Yes. That bird didn't flinch.
Awesome.
All right. This here is my first spring turkey ever. I got out of work about 2 o'clock this afternoon, and Clay had me a place to hunt here, so still got my jeans and work boots on. Came in, sat down, and this guy did a little calling, and he came working the field edge over here, and one shot, and he's down.